Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First, we need to grab our watch and flip it around. And once you flip it around, on the back of the watch, you will see that on each or next to each strap, we have this button. And basically to remove the old straps, we need to press on one of these buttons. And once you press on it, preferably with the fingernail or something, because you need to press it quite hard, or maybe not hard, but you need to go quite deep. And once you press it, it should release the strap. You can pull it out. Same for the other side, like this. And basically we have our straps right here and our watch. And this mechanism is quite simple. You have, as you can see, pins on the strap, and they lock in right here in this mechanism on the watch. And when you press the button on the watch, I don't know if you can see it, but when you press the button, this mechanism kinda moves up, and maybe not moves up, it just retracts inside of the watch, and it releases the pin, and you can then pull out the strap. Quite simple and quite effective mechanism. Okay, and once you get new straps and you want to put them on, you grab your watch, grab your strap, and you simply just insert it right here. And once it clicks in, it will hold. Quite amazing, quite quick, and quite well done. Okay, this is one of the best systems in my opinion. And once you're done, the straps will be holding, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.